Welcome back to Overheat, Bugatti Motorhome 2026, a moving symphony of luxury. External, classic aerodynamic style. With its aggressive yet sophisticated aerodynamic lines, the design will be influenced by Bugatti's most recent hypercar models, including the Chiron and even its successor. Outfitted with unique crystal embellishments on adaptive matrix LED headlights. Carbon fiber and other lightweight composites will be used in the body material to offer a futuristic and opulent look in addition to reducing weight. Large side windows will be incorporated into the design to offer a broad, panoramic perspective. The side design will effortlessly include the main entrance. Interior, an individualized haven of luxury. Rare woods or opulent composite materials with flawless finishes will be used for the floors. Recessed lights and accent lighting elements will draw attention to design elements, while customizable ambient lighting will produce a cozy and opulent atmosphere. The finest leather will be used for the upholstery of sofas and chairs, providing optimal comfort. Equipped with high-end appliances from companies like Gaggenau or Miele, such as induction cooktops, convection ovens, integrated microwaves, and large-capacity refrigerators, the kitchen will be the pinnacle of functional luxury. High-end audio systems created especially for the interior acoustics, tastefully integrated huge OLED TV screens, and fast internet connectivity will all be part of the entertainment focus. Technology and performance, integrated excellence, will be propelled by a potent engine. Perhaps a V12 engine designed especially for this use, or a hybrid variant of Bugatti's renowned W16 engine, in a range of driving conditions. The all-wheel drive system will guarantee the best possible traction. Superior stopping power will be guaranteed by Bugatti's well-known carbon ceramic disc braking system. Dual high-resolution touchscreens in the driver's cockpit will show entertainment, navigation, and vehicle information.